Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how I record my sound effects and download them. I'm going to leave a link in the description. This is a website called soundeffectsnow.com. And then it just download free sound effects. There is like ringtones, music, nature, sports, theme songs, weapons like guns, sound effects. There's weather sound effects, insects and creatures, home and office. I mean, pretty much all you need. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the cartoon sounds. So just let this load. And then you can play them and then see if you like them, and then you can download them. Alright, I like this one. It's sad trombone, wah wah. Alright, so you just click on the like letters. Alright, just let it load. Scroll all the way down, and then the first one, it says low quality mono dot mp3 file to download. Right click, save link as. Now there's a little change of plans. You gotta right click, save target as. And then you go to where you save it. I'm gonna go sound effects, and then click save, open. Alright, they're displayed. So that's pretty much it. I mean, then you can just drag them into Windows Movie Maker or whatever program you use, and then yeah. So that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and see ya.